Four up top to your right, to your right, to your right.
I see him. He might circle. There's two out front. Cutting back this way. Here they go, Keaton. This might be ours here. Try 'em.
Up top, big bird.
And two might be coming. Here they come. Keaton, over our back shoulder. Over your shoulder. See what they do. Hey. Whew. We've had more birds circled than we thought we'd see. Water was dropped severely when we got here. Luckily, they brought it back up, so.
By God, Jake's already shot 17 dirks.
Dirks.
Yeah, not ducks, dirks.
Dirks. I think it was the face paint that did it.
I know what it is for me, no Copenhagen.
No Copenhagen? No Copenhagen for Keaton and no face paint for me. Struggle's real. Tricking through this crazy mess. It's wild. Well, we're loading up now.